Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
First, we'll have the presentation of the budget. Question hour, as usual, will be taken on all days. We'll have the vote on account, then supplementary demands for grants. We'll be having some government bills, private members' resolutions, around 15. We have 3 sittings for private members' resolutions. And so all 15 resolutions will be taken up. And some private members' bills also.
Any calling attention and be submitted?
Yeah, calling attentions will be taken up every day, and even 0-hour mentions also will be taken up every day. The number of starred questions which we have received is 568, and unstarred questions will be 1003, so a total of 1571 for the entire session. Yes, I have issued the guidelines. And I have restricted the number of officers also, only pertaining to their question groups or their business. I have at the most permitted around 4 officers for each question group, so that we will limit the people, and strict guidelines will be followed. Everybody will be wearing a mask, shields, sanitizers.